Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Hello my friends. My name is Nur Halikanang Fawaz. I am from University of Alauddin Makassar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay. And my name is Nur Halikanang Fawaz. And in this occasion I will do making material in this video, and I will doing the mid test project. I will discuss 5 topics in this video. First, phonetics as study of speech sounds, the benefits of phonetics as a study English sounds, the production of English consonant sounds, manner and place of articulation, the production of English consonant sounds, distinctive features, and phonetics exercise for articulating English consonant sounds. And first is phonetics as study speech sounds. What is a phonetics? Phonetics is field of study speech sounds which has studied the sound waves of language that are issued the received language sounds for analysis. And next, phonetics as study of speech sound. Speech sounds is plainly sounds which uttered within a given language. In other words, a sound that comes of persons when speaking, explain his spoken language. An example of speech sounds can be the word book. This word seems to have 3 sounds: B, U, and K, which is B less representative like B, U is representative letter O, and K is representative letter K. Phonetics not only study of sounds, but phonetics also studies several component sounds, such as study of the physical aspects, speech delivery, and sound reception, and from the functional aspect, namely the role played by speech sounds in a particular language. The study of phonetics itself can be studied without including the study of semantics, or in other words, phonetics studies are meaning-free studies. Next, phonetics as study speech organ. Articulation. There are organ speech people use for processing speech sounds of a language. They include the lips, teeth, alveolar ridges, heart palate, ovellum, uvula, glottis, and valvulus of parts tongue, tip, middle, and back part. I will explain the shape of the articulator used to produce sounds in the mouth. The first is pharynx, the back of part of the mouth, odors beginning and though the nasal cavity. If we look in the mirror without mouth opens, we can see the back of pharynx. Next, the velum or soft palate is soft area in the top mouth that allow air to pass. Dog and nose and dog the mouth. When people speak, it is raised to show that the air cannot flow through the nose. Next is the hard palate, the smooth curved surface that's from top of the mouth behind from the teeth. Next, namely alveolar ridge, also known as the alveolar margin, one of 2 jaw ridges, either the roof of the mouth between the upper teeth and hard palate on of the bottom the mouth behind lower teeth. Next, tongue is the soft movable part in the mouth, can be moved into many different places and different shapes. Next, the teeth. They are hard structure embedded at the front of the mouth, immediately behind the lips. Next, the lips are two soft parts that surround mouth, which can be used to produce several different speech sounds, both consonant and vowels. Next, we are moved to phonetics as study of speech production. The production speech sounds leads the process and articulator sound that start following air provided the lungs. The air enters the glottis of the larynx, which the modified by vocal tract, oral cavity, or or vocal apparatus, nose cavity, into sounds quality which are consonant vowel. The production of consonant sounds is mainly determined by two factors: place the sounds are produced, the place of articulation, and the way in which they are articulate, or we say the manner of articulation. For example, when a person make a p sound like p sound has move lips together and block the airflow a moment. After that, suddenly release the air pressure inside his mouth, which cause the plosive sounds. Therefore, place articulation of in this sound called the bilabial, and method the call is the stop, also known as the plosive. Next, we are to move topic benefits of phonetics as study English sounds. First question is problem producing consonant. We talk about problem producing consonants. The main objective of learning English Indonesia language learners is generally to improve their skill communicate in English effectively. To be proficient in English, they must have knowledge micro skill English, namely pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, coherence, fluency, and comprehension. In terms to master pronunciation skills, students must to be able to effectively pronounce English sentence as word combination that they learn. Therefore, first of all, important show to data regarding student problem in producing English consonant. Data from the research conducted by Tiono and Yostanto 2008, who examined 6 consonant sounds like V, the, and T, made by student Indonesian English. First, like V, there are called tendency as deviation, and deviation occurs when the V sounds exist in medial as well as the positional edge the word, like villa. V is pronounced by villa by the learners Indonesia learners say F, villa, but the right is V, villa. Okay, next pronunciation. We are going to next pronunciation. The problem is producing the. Phonetically, sounds is voice dental fricative as the for the learners. The sounds is difficult produce because doesn't exist Indonesian sound system. They tend to make deviation when articulating sound the, substantive sound as well as the. Next, we are going to problem sounds. The derivation problem sounds is a T. The word like thunder. English sounds pronounced as thunder, but is the pronunciation thunder by the learners. Next, pronunciations like T. The problem in producing sounds T, the replacement of T with C, with T, and with S. The first occurs by learners replace sounds T with C, since the word pronounced in English but is not correctly pronounced C by the learners. Next, the derivation pronunciation of the replacement of the with G as the word general, which sounds pronounced general but is not pronounced general. Next, problem sounds. The derivation of consonant sounds with F, G, and S. The first derivation identically when learners replace sounds F to as the word decision should be pronounced the. However, is pronounced the. Problems in producing vowel, word sounds, and give example. According to Auden 2005, the International Phonetics Alphabet divides English sounds into 58 consonants and 28 vowels. The vowels contain monophthongs, pure vowels, and diphthongs. Among pure vowels, that is in English, there are 6 pairs vowels that also known as short vowels and long vowels. They are E, A, U, D, A. And non-short vowel is E, A, C, U, A. The first problem sounds in E or E. The replacement sounds in L with the problem producing in sounds L. The replace sounds L with the initial position is can be select examen. In English, the word pronunciation examen. The bilateral sounds in E with sounds A like examen. Next, the problem producing sounds E. According to replacement, the S occur many position. The substitution of sounds E can be seen word dash. In English, should be pronounced this, but they learn from dash. The problem is pronunciation A. The replacement A in form pronunciation word general, in which pronunciation the general instead general as the correct one. The next question is, we are going to move question. Question is, the benefits given by phonetics cope with the problems. The benefits phonetics solve the problem first is help to us to understand about the sounds language, not the sound of language. Can know more about how the organs work and such how the shape or organ moves. Can be distinguished sounds of language. Can distinguish between two sounds in terms shape and acoustic quality. Help to how exactly the properties of sounds. Sounds as like short, strikes, high, low, and sound in the language being studied. Next, we are to move the production of English consonant sounds and manner and place of articulation. Place of articulation. There are 6 speeds of use consonant sounds: the lips, the alveolars, and the hard palate and soft palate velum for parts tone. In terms of place articulation, consonant sound in American English can be classified into 8 sounds: Chelsea, Murcia, Briton, and Glowin, and they are easily membered by Acorni, Bila, Data, Pathway, Glola, in which it's BI for bilabial, LA for labiodental, D is for dental, A is alveolar, PAT is for palatal, P is for palatal, alveolar, V is for velar, Glo is glottal, LA is labiovelar. First, I will give an example to labiodental sounds, F and V. Consonant sounds produce apart stand F like 5 and V word villa. Dental sounds. Dental sounds the and the. The consonant sounds made are tone, sips, or the of the lingual blade part just behind the tip sounds the constant teeth as in the word sounds e.g. sounds the in the word like Thursday and sounds the like this. Alveolar sounds T, D, N, L, S, Z. The consonant sounds match contrast with alveolar behind the teeth like sounds like T and sounds D like D or D like die. Palatal sounds. Palatal sounds like G, T, and J. Sounds produce the blade of tongue, middle of tongue, touch the hard palate. AG sounds J like judge, T like T, C, TF, C like word chew, and TF sounds G, word like young. TFU and sound Y is the word in young. Palato-alveolar sounds. Sounds articulate when the tip of blade of tongue or touch the alveolarids when the body of tongue approach palate in the mouth. AG sounds. The tongue is the sounds in the word casual, in which blade of tongue sounds are in the word remember, and which of the tongue never touch in the area the mouth and between alveolarids in the hard palate. Next, we are moved to manner of articulation. Therefore, manner of articulation gives basic distinction how consonant sounds are made. Those 7 concepts of manner articulation is stop fricatives, affricatives, nasal, latellar, and approximant. 6 manner are usually chromni stophanasla stop and stand for stop. F for fricative, stop. I'm repeating again. Stop stand for stop. F for fricative. A stands for affricative. Nas stands for nasal, and L stands for lateral. A stands for approximant. But I will only explain 3 concepts because this I think the 3 important concepts. First is stop or plosive. The English consonant sounds produced in manner articulation are P in the word pen, as in the word tie, K as in the word K, and B as in the word by. Fricatives. The types of norm of articulation produce consonant sounds by blocking airstream in the mouth but not making complete closure. Complete closure belongs to a stop and there moves dog in the mouth and produce audible frication. AIG as like word cycle, S cycle, and the word zoom, and AZ in the word zoom, F as in the word fan, V as with the word like very, and T as the word like method. Affricatives. Talk about affricatives. This manner articulation produce consonant sounds by blocking airstream briefly with the tongue in the mouth, but in the contrast, the stop in block airstream suddenly not release but slowly release and cause audible friction sounds. Ch is the word like check, and j in the like jump. And we are next to move to the next topic. The topic is the production of English consonant sounds. Distinctive features. What is distinctive feature in consonant sounds? In which distinctive features define some unique or different that same someone something to apart from the rest. In English, some different consonant sounds produced in the same place articulation like P and B. The sounds are both indefinite as bilabial and stop sounds. How to identify distinctive features? Distinctive features they then used in the identifying the sounds distinction by knowing whether the vocal cords vibrate when the consonant sounds are made voice, or whether the vocal cords do not vibrate, consonant sounds uttered voiceless. To test the voicing the quality of the consonant sounds, the learner may place the finger voice box the location Adam's apple in upper throat. This done to whether vocal cords vibrate not when a particular consonant sounds made. For example, in distinguishing sounds P and B, the learners produce sounds P. While placing their fingers over the voice box, they should not feel the vibration in a nozzle. But sounds P is voiceless bilabial sounds and sounds B is voice bilabial stop. The distinctive features of consonant pairs. Okay. There are stop, fricative, nasal, and lateral. Okay, next we are going to consonant letters and their consonants. After studying the types of consonant sounds from the point of English view of place, way of the articulation, students to need how to use them to pronounce in English words. This important in English because usually they represent one consonant, but some consonant, for example C, G, S, can express two different consonant sounds. Next, I will explain some consonant letters with the consonant sounds. First, like B, for example baby. C, like center, cigarette. And C sounds S like center, and sounds K like cake, and B sounds B like baby. D, letters D sounds D like day. Letters G sounds G like game. Sounds G like general, and sounds like mirage. Letters E sounds H like hair, and letters J sounds G like jam, jelly, and joke. Sounds K and letters K like kite. Sounds L, letter L like late. Sounds M, letters M make mother. And continue discussion is the phonetics exercise for articulating English consonant sounds. Why the students needs phonetics exercise? Because to overcome difficulties pronouncing English, both make their pronunciation accurate and know they lay out the process of sounds information and be aware of the difference in sounds formation in every language in the world, and what instructions the student need to do when they're doing phonetics exercise. Focus in making consonant sounds. Focus is the key. If you focus, you can make consonant sounds. And think how to the required consonant sounds, string structure, place of articulation, and manner of articulation before making the sounds. Produce the required sounds and slowly and accurately, and when you get the accustomed to making sounds accurately, then you can sound fluently. The exercise producing English consonant sounds, at least for words and for one consonant sound articulate the sounds natural as possible by implementing your knowledge of phonetics. Voice bilabial sound P, peel, piece, peer. Voice bilabial stop sounds B. B. Beat, beer. Voiceless alveolar stop sound T. Team, tip, tail. Voice alveolar stop sounds D. Deep, deal, there. Voiceless velar stop sounds K. Can, keep, kill. Voiceless velar stop sounds G. Give, get. Maybe that's all I can say. If there are my pronunciation is bad and pronunciation is not complete or error, I will so sorry. And in the explanation it cannot be understood, please forgive me. And I say thank you very much to my lecturer Ustadz Dr. Andika Udin SIPU, who has give me the opportunity to deliver my video. And I also thank you my friend because you listen my video. And before I closing, I want to say sorry because perfections belongs Allah Subhanahu wa taala. Wabillahi taufiq hidayah, fastabiqul khairat, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.